Beautiful landscapes where Bollywood movies are shot leave us with a craving to visit those places. Today, we are heading towards such a dreamlike destination, Lavasa. Lavasa is around 60 kilometers from Pune and 187 kilometers from Mumbai. As you can see, there are multiple routes to reach Piramud. However, for people living in Wakad, can take Hinchewadi Phase 3 route to reach Piramud, and from Gotavde Fata, a route is common to reach Lavasa. As we were very hungry, we stopped here to have breakfast and enjoyed yummy misal pav and poha with awesome tea. On the way to Lavasa, you can enjoy many scenic beauties, good for photography. As we were reaching Lavasa, it was raining very heavily and the winds were so strong that we had to stop multiple times for the wind to settle down and then start again. From here, we can capture entire view of Lavasa township and it is very beautiful. Enjoy beauty of Lavasa. There are many multi-cuisine restaurants and eateries outside. While returning, there was so much fog we could hardly see the road. Total expense for this trip was 1000 rupees. If you like our journey, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.